The camera on Snapchat may be zoomed in due to incorrect settings, a corrupt Snapchat app, or software glitches. To resolve this issue, try resetting the settings by opening the Snapchat app, clicking on the Bitmoji, and selecting the Settings option, followed by the Lens option. Then, tap the Clear Lens Data option and the Clear All Lens option. If this doesn't work, clear the Snapchat cache by launching the app, clicking on the Bitmoji, and tapping on the settings icon. Then selecting the Clear Cache option. If the problem persists, try restarting the phone. For Android users, this can be done by pressing the power button until a menu appears and selecting the Restart option. For iPhone users, press the power button until the Slide to Power Off slider is shown. Swipe the power off slider to the right, and then press the power button again until the Apple logo appears. By following these steps, the zoomed-in camera issue on Snapchat should be resolved.